She is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you take all of me. Want you here, need your mind and your shade.
Hold on a minute. Raw adventure again. And there I talked to a great farmer, you know. I want to give me some information about Dasheen. I mean, I was under how them grow and reap Dasheen because the business what I want to get into. So, I want to give me all of that info there. What's the man name again?
Bibs.
Bibs. Farmer Bibs.
Abraham.
Abraham.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, how you say, how you grow Dasheen now?
Yeah, you build the land, you clean it, you dig the hole, you look the sucker, you clean out the sucker, and you plant it. When you plant it, when you get 3 leaves, fertilize it. When you fertilize it, you weed it, and when you dry the head, you mold him. And you have a time when you dry the head, and if you don't dry the head, you don't need dirt.
And when you say mold him, I mean?
Like put the dirt around him, take your machete and dig around him, so 4 corner, dirt around him. That's the way. But it's a good way out because right now, I'm not supposed to live in one and do farming. We like the farming, but it's kind of stiff because the material very expensive. All the fertilizer now $9,000 a bag.
Yeah.
And for the safety here, you need about say 5 or 7 bag of fertilizer planting Dasheen. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Because I'm really expensive, give them 1 week, 1 time, you know. A bag can do nearly a acre.
Yeah.
100 pounds. So you need people help, you know, but them government no help nobody again. All the rather now you go out there, them sell it, they not really give us for nothing, they sell it to them man and they have them friend plan, go farm and them and then share them. That's what's going on.
Yeah, that's a go on.
Yeah. So that's the video stick for your own. Maybe you have a good friend from America. Ask me, want to go on to the farming, man? And when I tell him, he ask me, me tell him, say, boy, fertilizer very expensive, you know.
Yeah.
And he said, how much a bag, man? And I tell him the price, man. And instead of money come buy a bag, you know. Instead of money come give me buy 1 bag, man, me glad to eat, man. Glad to eat, me can't glad no more. And I take time I use it, you know.
Yeah.
But it depends on where I don't know. But through the shot they come in, not full, you know. And not the banana, they not full, the plant, they not full, the rat, and make them fat.
Oh yeah, man, I say, man, we know the rat eat half a plant them like that, eat coconut.
Sometimes I want jelly tree too, and you got a jelly tree, you're shocked. It's too much them have fight already. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Rat them table, man.
So some big rat them there.
Boy, they're not so big, you know. But they're just rat.
Yeah, man.
You know? Because I said, find my yard in the house, I'm tired to rat and rat till you can.
Yeah.
Alright, then rat. Find down in the yard, in the house, I mix the poison, I mix it up, set it, then I heat it, go back again and I mix up again with corner trash. Then I heat it, but then just have,
yeah, man, and they run from out the door, come in, you know.
Shame of the rat to rat, man, shame, man. Come like a rat, me and yam to rat sometimes. Shame, man.
Yeah, man, and rat carry a disease, they call
terrible,
it.
Terrible.
Yeah, man,
terrible.
leptospirosis.
Yeah, man, terrible. Man.
Yeah, man, say
and there's nothing you can do for your bite. Nothing. You say, I'm tired. Yeah?
Yeah.
You have one leather in the middle of one house, but then people the leather. You have to try to buy one lot and make one leather one next time.
For real.
So you want to plant some Dasheen?
Yeah, yeah.
Good business man and plant and banana. A good business man. Baby?
Morning.
Yes, man. Good business man because plant Dasheen. Can make money.
A long time Shireen tell me about it, you know, a long time. I mean, from
Your mother?
Shireen.
We call her.
Yeah, man, she drive the
Oh, we want to chop down the
Shut
road.
down, yeah. I tell you.
Would mind in it by wire and wire around in land where you
Yeah.
know? Chop it down and clean up and wire around.
Yeah, man, I gotta do all that, man. I try to do as much as that this year.
Yeah, man. Because you see the water up at top there? The water up at top? The water up at top?
Yeah,
Where you walk across with the top side of the house there.
yeah.
The land there we wire side, you know. And go up there, you know.
And yeah, that my sister tell me, say, boy, I know really the water party, water, the inner island.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Island there over here, so.
Yeah.
On the hillside.
Yeah, but I don't see man a farm over there, so.
No, but where you, that's why you see people have to occupy the land. Make
Yeah.
people know, say, after me,
Feeling like
so.
that. Yeah.
And after them, yeah, so. That's my point.
Yeah, man, because we have a diagram on my phone here.
If the diagram you take it, well neat,
Yeah.
well alright, it's gone clear.
Real. Yeah, man, but
They want to chop down the bamboo, what man you plant all melon, plant pumpkin, cucumber. Them they are fast money, you know, cucumber. And you plant the folk in the Dasheen. You know what I mean?
yeah.
And you know, eat nothing. And they just go reap when you're ready.
So cucumber can plant with the Dasheen though.
Yes, man.
Wait, in same place where Dasheen.
Yes, man. Because I did Dasheen root this plant one. I know much you plant here, so 1, 2 seed, and so 3 seed, and 3 seed, and so you plant it. Kind of come up, you know.
Yeah.
No. So it's come like
Are we can make harbour for cucumber?
no.
No?
It makes sense. Man,
Right.
it makes sense.
Because, I mean, remember even come to go to college agriculture there, you know what I mean?
Why so?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Yeah, first college that me they go.
I see.
Yeah, man. And I mean, I see them experiment with some. And yeah, man, you want to beer more, man.
You know, they put it funny,
Yeah. We call it harbour.
yeah, beer more.
Yeah, man. Just say it up and
Oh, well, me never really go through
Yeah,
that years, you know.
so in a smaller area you can have far more.
Mm-hmm. Well, me never see a man really put it on bamboo
Boy.
or stick over
Go
there.
ahead.
You know, put planting it through the Dasheen. And then get it.
Yeah, man. I mean, they make like a fence with put
Yeah.
wire upon it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see.
Beer more.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, from Pecan, they're the first lane to spend so that's a
A
long
long
time.
time. Yeah. I believe we just spend it, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Actually, want to go and come for 2 weeks. And I said, no, wait, man.
Oh,
Because 1 month, they want to spend it. I said, no, we got to spend 1 month.
you work, I know.
Yeah.
Oh. But if you didn't come more often.
Often. But I just shoot, because she used to come more often say when me did there.
Oh,
But and she have her dog way. But the dog dead since she there, you know.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You must feel it.
Yeah, man.
Dog miss him.
Yeah. That she said must be the dog miss her.
Miss
Yeah,
him.
first the dog she ever there so long.
Miss him. And I'm afraid.
Yeah.
So some dogs, you know.
Yeah. Dog stop eat and everything.
Because you see some dogs, so dog next to man, you know.
Yeah, man. Dog stop eat.
You see the water when you pass there, you see the up there. Fabrics just to the water there.
You sure want to go across the road?
No, where you going on the banana water there.
Yeah, man. The one I run come on son. I run come on
Yes, I
son.
can tell you about.
Yeah. So I don't say them put a little pipe. I say them put a little pipe
Yeah,
there.
a sport put it there and beat underneath it.
Oh.
I didn't take water, you know.
Yeah, just ain't catch water.
Yeah, man.
But me even I want to say boy for run. Cause we want to set up the water, you know what? You see them have some black holes down in there, so. I mean, if you ask my friend them yesterday, you know. Which one can get that for bike? I mean, I'm supposed to use that run. A real hose.
You know, big.
It's probably a little smaller than 2 inch.
Oh. You run pipe, man.
Cause even pipe them I see up there right now and dry rotten already. But I know water pipe though, drain pipe.
You need that too
They come
long.
they use, eh?
For a long time, did they?
Yeah.
Years,
Yes.
did they? And maybe what in a
Yeah, where's that you a drain pipe if the water pipe is that thicker?
yeah. Where did they too long? Man. And what in a maintain them? And the sun and then no breeze.
Yeah,
The more severe them, the better off.
yeah.
The sun catch them, then bust up.
Yeah man. Even since recently we kinda clear some of my pipe them in our house cause it's not a washroom here so. They clog up man. Yeah man, I will clean them and blow them out and see things come out shoot.
That's good.
Yeah, me say what? Yeah.
Buy the piece of land now. Buy the piece of land you can't lose. See how money buy. Give me a thing.
Yeah man.
A good piece of land. Now watch nobody's face. To go water here and this and that and there, man. Nothing go so. House there already.
Yeah.
Right? Buy the piece of land now, man. A nice piece of land. After me. Leave it to go and ask you know. You know, big price. Buy it now. Your money, remember, you know, you can't buy the land today for $10, you know.
Yeah.
Until you told me, man.
Yeah man, true thing.
Yes, sir. And land now move.
Leonard!
So,
Yeah man.
now go here.
Yeah man, alright, give thanks to the word.
Yeah, man. Yeah, all right.
Yeah man, I hate that you know. Talking to the great farmer. How you name breads? No breads man. Yeah, but that man give me some great info in the morning so. Yeah man, thanks for watching you know. So until another adventure. Peace out.
Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you take all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwining our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon'